Reamdeen Energy Company Limited is one of leading energy storage system manufacturer in China, integrating the R&D, manufacturing, OEM, and ODM service and sales of solar energy storage system. With years of experience and a team of professional technicians, Reamdeen has complete production system and supply chain system. Our production company was founded in 2020, located in Dongguan, Qingxi, which is occupied with more than 6,000 square meters. With the principles of enterprising spirit, our engineers constantly upgrade technology and products to ensure that our products are of quality and perfectly meet customer needs. All of our products strictly comply with international standards and have obtained test reports from the National Battery Testing Center and the National Solar Product Testing Center, and have passed CE, RoHS, UN 38.3, MSDS, and other certificates. The batteries we produce are widely used in home solar systems, electric vehicles and RVs, marine systems, mobile robot AGV systems, as well as electric forklifts, cleaning equipment, and modular lithium battery products. Moreover, we could also provide standard and custom solutions to meet energy demands in utility grid, commercial facilities, communities, medical equipment solution, battery laboratory, and data centers, covering all around the world. Further in the future, we will continue to focus on customer needs and technological innovation, and are committed to providing professional solutions and services for global new energy applications.